Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, if you remember yesterday I was talking about Bank Nifty's consolidation level, and today Bank Nifty has given a beautiful breakout and it has moved up very well. Let's see how we can plan our trades for tomorrow. Let me tell you what I have done here. I have drawn a new zone at the peak, taking today's high and today's close as an important level. Now let's go to 2-hour chart and see how charts look. Okay, this is what I was talking about, the consolidation level yesterday, and it has given a beautiful break. Almost after breaking, it has moved almost around 300 points, I suppose. Well, that was a good move, a swift move actually. This is what I was expecting once it breaks on the upside. Let's move to 15 minutes chart. Okay, here in 15 minutes chart, let me mark the levels first. This is going to be my resistance zone 1. It's almost around 45 to 50 points. This is going to be my support zone 1. This is going to be my support zone 2. And this is going to be my support zone 3. Right, if you see here in this 15 minutes chart, last 1 hour price has consolidated somewhere near the resistance 1 zone, right. So this consolidation can be very important for tomorrow's momentum. You can see the levels here. This consolidation will be very important. In case we see a break, we can see more 100-200 points minimum upward momentum. As I have said you, once it starts moving in a single direction, be trailing your stop loss for maximum benefit. Okay, so for tomorrow, my plans on Bank Nifty will be this. Let me explain you this. On the upside, if it closes above today's high, that is 31,844. there are good chances we can see 31,915, and then we can see somewhere around 32,030 and 32,150. This will be easy targets on the upside. And in case if price starts reversing from this zone, then below this 31,800 we can target 31,700 and 31,600. 31,600 will be a very important support 1 zone, and any close below 31,550 we can see prices move to 31,450 and 400 levels. This is going to be my simple plan for tomorrow and on Bank Nifty. I am trying to keep it simple. The reason is, first thing, we have seen a very powerful breakout today, and second thing, if it starts taking a momentum on the upside, we can again see 200 points, 100, 200 and 300 points maximum swift movement on the upside. As we have seen here, after 1 o'clock there was a very swift momentum without much confusion. There was a good momentum on the upside. The same kind of momentum we can expect tomorrow also once it breaks. And if it reverses from R1, guys, prices, there are good chances it can reach S1 and S2. Before that we have a small support somewhere around 31,700 levels, right. So this is the plan for Bank Nifty tomorrow. You can just mark these levels in your system and you can see how beautifully price respects our zone. I have shown you yesterday also. You can see here today, after price consolidated here at this level, what I have marked S2, there was a good move on the upside, right. The same thing we can expect tomorrow as well, some good momentum in Bank Nifty. Now let's move to Nifty and see what our trading plan can be for tomorrow. Nifty as well, we had a very beautiful bullish candle today, and if you see here on the peak, I have drawn a resistance zone. This zone is simple. I have just taken today's high and today's closing price and I have drawn a zone here. This is almost around 10 point zone. Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like in 2-hour chart. Okay, I've been talking about this trend line for past 2-3 days. You can see price have been respecting this trend line and moving on the upside. Let me show you. You can see here today as well on 5th January it has respected this trend line, moved up. Again it had hit this level and again moved up. So this trend line is becoming very important for now. So this trend line will be there for tomorrow's trading system as well. Now let me go and check out what has happened in 15 minutes chart, then I'll explain you my trading plan for tomorrow. Okay, before I move ahead and explain you the trading plan, let me adjust this trend line. Okay, this is good enough. You can see here today price had rejected from this trend line. Again there was a rejection somewhere around 115. After 115 you can see here, and after this there was a good movement on the upside, right? So this trend line will be very important part of trading for tomorrow in Nifty. Now let me mark these zones. The place where price has closed, it is near resistance zone 1. I'm going to mark this as resistance zone 1. This is going to be my support zone 1 and this is going to be my support zone 2. Only addition what I have today in Nifty is the resistance zone. Rest all I am going to keep it same. Now tomorrow there are good chances price coming back to S1 level, hitting this trend line, and there are good chances again it can move up to R1 and above R1, in the sense close above today's high, that is 14,227.75. you can take it as 14,230 as well. Any close above this we can see 14,250 levels, and above 14,250 we can see for 14,300. This is on the upside. If price starts moving on the upside, I'll take this trade. And in case price gaps up tomorrow and it sustains above 14,227, then again the same kind of trade I can take, the long trade what I'm talking about, right? On the short side, let me change this color. In case price moves in this zone and reverses from here, from R1, we can target S1. I'll just change this color. From R1, if it's reversing, you can go ahead and take a short and you can target for S1, right? And below S1, in this sense below 14,165, you can see for 14,140, these are small supports what we have, 14,100, and I can see S2 coming in, right? This is the short trade idea what I have. And on this long side, it's in pink color, you can just see here. As I've said you before, whenever you're trading, trade with proper stop losses. Risk management is very important, and don't take bigger risks. If you're a day trader, take around 20-25 points risk in Nifty, and Bank Nifty depends on volatility, either 50 or 100 would be good. Whatever I've shared here, it's just my analysis. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. And guys, make sure you have your stop losses always in your system and not in your mind, right? And regarding the free training program, I have updated the link in the description box, and there's also a link for Telegram group. You can go and check out the syllabus what I'll be training you. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have enjoyed watching the videos and if you've been learning something, you can give a like and drop a comment if you have any doubts. I'll try my best to solve your doubts. That's all for today, guys. This is the trading plan, simple trading plan. I usually don't complicate my system. The more you keep it simple, the more easy it will be. I'll see you again tomorrow. Let's see how Nifty and Bank Nifty respects our zones, and let's see if we require some new zones tomorrow for our trading system. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow.